So this is a project called Hope for the World. It's done by a Stella Maris students.
The idea behind doing this panel work is basically to show all the events what happened in Chennai. Like for example, the floods, Jallikat and the Varda. And it's for people to understand what we are trying to show, what happened in Chennai.
This happens once in every 4 years, and it's basically because every 4 years a batch gets out of college. So everybody should get the chance to paint the walls.
Last time's topic was random, that is anyone could paint anything they wanted, but it was based on not exactly on nature, but on different topics like on nature, on industries and all those kind of things. But this year, since all this disaster happened in Chennai, and based on all those stuff, they made sure that the theme for this year would be on how Chennai was affected and how it's growing.
5 years ago, we worked with the Art Chennai project when Sanjay Tulsian had approached us. And so we thought it was time to change because it's been up on the walls for 5 years and we've had a lot of inquiries. So we thought, what better time than to sensitize Chennai from what's been happening in the recent past. So the Varda, the oil spill and the floods were of course the events that we focused on primarily for this, the design of these panels. It was conceptualized by our final year students, of course putting together by the undergraduates and the postgraduates. So this time what we thought is we'll synergize the panels a lot more than what was done last time. So, and also have a few quotations that will, enhance the design elements. For people who don't really know what's happening or who can't read meanings into the visuals, we brought in some typography driven panels which are quotations primarily related to nature. So we also thought, let's be a little bit more inclusive. So we've got a couple of Tamil panels as well, Tamil typography panels which we're yet to paint, but they're up on the wall. And also, like I said, we wanted to tie up the entire visual elements and make it synergized. So we've used a folk idiom, which is a very Indian ethnic folk idiom, drawing from or being influenced by a particular artist called Jamini Roy, who belongs to the early modern art movement. And that's what we put together. So if you see, we have elements that run through all the panels which you can actually recognize, and also patterning that is continuously there. So there's a certain synergy in the narrative, and as well as the story that the storyline is a lot more obvious than what it was last time.